Imagine a single spark setting a wildfire ablaze. That's the power of network effects. Think about how Facebook, a seemingly simple idea, connected billions, or how a single tweet can ignite global movements. These phenomena, driven by interconnectedness, are not accidental. The result of powerful forces at play, network effects, and game theory. In today's interconnected world, understanding these concepts is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. These principles are the invisible threads shaping our interactions, from the smallest teams to global markets. Whether you're a seasoned executive or just starting your career, grasping these concepts can be your secret weapon to unlock unprecedented success. This essay will serve as your guide to navigate this fascinating landscape. We'll explore the fundamental principles of network effects and game theory, and then we'll dive into how they play out in the real world, particularly within the workplace. Get ready to see your work environment through a new lens, one that reveals hidden opportunities and empowers you to make smarter decisions. So, are you ready to unlock the power of connections and gain a competitive edge? Let's begin. Let's break down these seemingly complex concepts into bite sized pieces. Network effects, simply put, illustrate how the value of something increases as more people use it. Think of a telephone, it's useless if you're the only one with it. But as more people get telephones, the value of each phone grows exponentially. Game theory, on the other hand, delves into strategic decision making. It analyzes how individuals or groups make choices when the outcome is influenced by the actions of others. Imagine a game of chess. Your move depends on anticipating your opponent's moves and their potential responses to your actions. Now you might be thinking, that's interesting, but how does this apply to my workplace? Hold that thought. We're about to connect the dots. Think of your workplace as a web of interconnected individuals and teams. Each interaction, each decision creates a ripple effect, influencing the entire system. This is where network effects come into play. Consider the company intranet. A few early adopters might find it useful, but as more employees contribute, share information, and engage in discussions, the intranet becomes a dynamic hub of knowledge and collaboration, its value skyrocketing. Or think about company culture. A few positive individuals who champion collaboration and open communication can create a ripple effect, influencing team dynamics and ultimately shaping a more positive and productive work environment. The more we understand the interconnectedness of our actions and their impact on the larger system, the better equipped we are to navigate the workplace effectively. Now, let's bring game theory into the picture. Every decision we make at work, from negotiating a deal to assigning tasks within a team, involves anticipating the actions and reactions of others. Imagine you're leading a project and you need to decide how to allocate a critical task. Do you assign it to the most experienced team member, potentially overburdening them, or do you give a chance to a less experienced colleague, risking a delay? This is where game theory comes in. By considering the strengths and weaknesses of your team members, their potential responses to different scenarios, and the overall project goals, you can make a strategic decision that maximizes the chances of success. Understanding game theory can be particularly valuable in competitive work environments, where anticipating your competitors' moves and planning your strategies accordingly can be the key to staying ahead. As we've explored, network effects and game theory are not just abstract concepts confined to textbooks. They are powerful forces shaping our everyday interactions and decision making processes, especially in the workplace. By understanding these principles, we gain a significant advantage. We become more aware of the interconnectedness of our actions, the ripple effects we create, and the strategic implications of our decisions. This awareness empowers us to make smarter choices, build stronger networks, and ultimately achieve greater success. So, as you navigate your own workplace, I encourage you to reflect on these concepts. How can you leverage the power of network effects to amplify your impact? How can you use game theory to make more strategic decisions? The answers to these questions might just be the key to unlocking your full potential.